When we start our journey of life, it is really a strange journey. How many of you think that growing up is one of the most beautiful yet confusing journey in a young girl especially? Boys also definitely, but girls has so many challenges and so many roles in their life. Role of wife, mother, um, daughter, and many other roles. So, between childhood and adulthood lies a stage which is fully filled with question. So, I consider this and I wrote a book only for girls. There are so many truths which nobody will tell you about growing up. So this is very powerful book written by Kashish Sandhu and published by Blue Rose. And everything which you want to know about your childhood, about your teenager, about the struggle you are facing, or maybe there are so many solutions given. And as an author, this book is very close to my heart because when I was young, growing up was not easy. I had many questions, many fear, many emotions that I did not fully understand. So I thought of many other girls are also facing the same thing. So I'll tell you what all I have included in this book. I have included that what makes a girl a girl. You need to understand what is your identity and why you should love yourself. Then I have explained that why is this happening to me? This is the question many girls feel during their childhood, maybe when they are ready to understand things, and in teenage most of the time. Many questions like why do some girls have hair and their face is like boys? There are certain changes which happens in the body. I have explained that. And there are certain things when girl feel that mommy loves bhaiya the most. Maybe it is feeling embarrassment and exploring the outside world. Maybe family and friends standing up for the bully, friends and peer pressure, marriage pressure, and how to be independent being a girl. Why do teen feel down? Understand the sadness and emotions. Why understanding the emotions are very, very important from the early childhood, because this is playing a very hard role when you are into the adulthood. How you can save yourself from the peer pressure related to the negative things like drug, alcohol, and other things. What can be the real life problems? I will help you in this book. And social media is playing a very important role these days. People are getting um, so much of they want that social media should approve what they are doing. I will tell you 10 topic every girl need to know. So all this is included in this book. So today I just wanted to tell you why this book is very close to my heart, because when I was small there was no internet and nothing to be there, like where I can play, I can understand things, everything we need to ask from the parents and the elder. So it was quite difficult for us, and we were three sister and one brother, so it was difficult for the parents also. So this is how when you feel that there is something missing which you need to understand, but slowly when you grow up and you understand the life, then you know all these things. So my first chapter is why this is happening to me. So there will be a storm inside a growing up girl. Let me read one chapter for you. um, there comes a time in every girl's life when she quietly asks herself, why is my body changing? Why am I feeling so emotional? Why do small things hurt so much? Or why do I care so much about what other thinks? Why only me? These questions usually stay unspoken, and many of us are feeling, right? Sometimes they are searched secretly on Google. Do you ever feel like something is wrong with you? All the time. I just don't see it, right? And sometimes they are carried silently in the heart and getting the emotions suppressed. Growing up is not just about getting taller or starting periods. It is about emotional shift, identity confusion, mood swing, new insecurities, and a deep desire to understand. One day you feel confident and strong, the next day you feel confused and unsure. You may feel different from other. You may feel misunderstood at home. You may compare yourself constantly, but here is the truth, my dear girls. You have to pause and think, when was the last time you felt this way? Or what triggered it? Just tell me. Let me tell you, your body is adjusting, your brain is developing, and your emotions are expanding, your identity is forming. This phase feel overwhelmed not because you are weak, but because you are transforming, you are growing as a girl, experiencing the moment of doubt. Every girl wonder why this is happening to me. And the answer is very simple because you are growing and growth is never silent. So, this is a very powerful book for the parents, mother, grandparents, and for the teenager girl. Anybody can read this book. This book is not specially for the girls only because everyone knows that understanding girls will make the society better. And if the girl is understanding herself, that also makes society better because they have to form one independent family. And why I'm saying family, because it starts from the home. So today go to Amazon, Flipkart, or Blue Rose store. You can go there and you can buy my book, read it and give me the review. And once I complete my 100 copies, I will just share my free copies for everyone, those who have read my all three books. You just have to send me message and give me the review on Amazon and Flipkart. Thank you so much. Love you all and give lots of love to this book.